working on the needle and the thread, and when it was just not happening, didn't you feel stress? एक के बाद दूसरे में जब बहुत टाइम लगा, like यार पहला हो गया दूसरा हो के नहीं रहा.
Jay, what was the feeling then?
What third one?
What happened with the third one?
It took a lot of time.
More time.
It took more time. So you were trembling? Yes. Your hands were shivering. Okay.
And task 2, the sari weight.
Task 2, sari weight. How did you feel about it?
How many times did you wrap it?
So which means that you know how to make a sheet.
Oh, he made it correct the first time.
Okay.
And then it came out.
Okay.
He made it the second time almost correct.
Yeah. Okay, that's interesting.
So he made it almost correct the second time. It
Oh,
again
so
came
you're like,
out.
wow. Oh, okay. And Roman was
And
so
the third
sure
time
about
he just
it.
can't make it. I was like, what kind of
Right,
but in our mythology we have heard that when the student does something wrong, the guru says के सही टाइम के वक्त तुम तुम्हारी विद्या भूल जाओ. It almost happened कि वो अभी तक बना रहा था क्यों भूल गया. He doesn't know. It just doesn't come. That's what I'm
So
saying.
you got nervous.
That did stress act on you? Did pressure act on you? Yes.
And what about you, Dhruvan?
I was knowing it. Yeah, because I was used to wear dhotis.
Okay, because you just so you just get it and you just started tying.
Then he
it
said
and
because I
started-
was used to wear. I'm like,
Okay.
I was used to wear. Okay.
In fact, who was it? Riya was there. Right? So Riya was actually standing like a mannequin. He went, he just kind of started putting a knot there, came here, just started putting the pleats from like that.
Or mannequin
But this
was
like,
mannequin with the entire torso frozen, but the head was working. So the mannequin was like. Then you know that you are a part of a team where you can't help but to completely leave it.
So that
To
was
the other
again
person.
Riya's reaction. Riya was just standing like that.
When you feel that, I can do that task. Give it to me, I will do that. You know you can't do that task. You will have to let your team member do the task, and you will have to only
But
cooperate.
here I'm sure that Riya would have said, okay, I think you're doing a good job. I don't think I could have done it that way. So I'm glad. So you had an advantage.
In the beginning, you did not even realize that we have to put a knot.
Okay.
So, as a sari lapet ke.
So they said that.
And then the lower part comes out.
This is the right way because he's already putting a knot. Is this okay? Because this looks like what? A loogie. No, I said no, this is the right way and just keep your mouth shut and go.
Yeah.
You're okay. Because you wouldn't do it.
And here, people in the audience are murmuring, not. And in the end, everything clear because I told him that this is not going to stay.
Okay.
Then he thought of the mechanism how it would stay. And Kamsha almost wanted to say it.
Actually, he was doing that, but he get nervous and then once again.
I know.
And then
The fourth task was interesting.
Third
You
task.
boys, oh sorry, the third one.
Third task.
The third one worked with a brilliant coordination. The entire group to take a break from the activity and just see they were working. Yeah. To see what we mean by coordination in a team. And coordination in a team where you are not working as per your convenience, but you are working for your partner's convenience. That was happening here. That he was holding the plate in a manner it would be convenient to her, at the level, at the speed, and constant instructions. Constant instructions. He was not taking a break from speaking even for a second. One. Naturally it would happen that he was holding on the design, plate in his hands. So he would bring it to his level, and he's tall. And she had to keep saying, bring it down, bring it down. Every second she had to say, bring it down, and he would again pull it down. Besides that, it went perfectly well. But then there is also something which is to be complimented, and that's her listening skills. People were saying instructions, people were screaming, people were hooting. She did not listen to the noise. She could very clearly differentiate between what is noise and what is shakti.
Because for us, had the liberty to use words.
Words, communication.
We did not use our resources to the optimum. In fact, we only used a couple of words, and now you would agree. And that there was only communication and very little communication from her end, whereas there was no communication in terms of words from Pauli's end. So what happened was that her only instructions were, wait a minute,
Go.
and go. So he just couldn't understand, as in go, as in where go. And then he had to flex himself to be able to cut the spiral straight. So there was that.
No, he said
So
cut
the
a little,
coordination-
take a long cut,
Okay.
hold it, a small shot, a small cut, move.
Do you get, can you then now relate it to that kind of an activity that we did in the communication class for your first conference?
Yes.
The one to make the paper rose?
Yes.
The one to-
Yes.
And then you know that those instructions have to be clear, clear, and so it's just 5 steps on that. In fact, I had forgotten about it, but the class reminded me of it yesterday, like the other half. So you would know that how important this is to be able to give precise, to the point, little, tiny instructions. Moving on to the next, the dome. Dome is a pro, let me tell you what. He starts off with the flour, makes a little.
I know.
That was like, okay, wow. So he actually makes a little.
He makes a heap of the
bit
flour,
there, and he makes a
then
little bit
makes
there.
a space in
Yeah.
between, and
And
the
then
water
he
has
says-
to be put inside.
And the way the water needs to go, the communication is beautiful because you can't use words. So when he wanted him to pour water and pour less water, he on his own was again pretty brilliant because he ensured not to open the bottle. They kind of realized that this is not wheat flour, so they were very careful with it. So he opened the cap of the bottle only a little. So water was just trickling out of it and not pouring out of it. And as he kept putting water, Devam went on doing this, which means he needs water in a spiral shape, like down there. So and he was so sure that they don't tell me that.
Here it was like, well, Pratish is good with it. The way his hands started moving on the floor, it said that he knows how to do it. Probably he already knows the skill. And I almost started feeling that was it the right thing that I did when I brought another boy on task 4 from task 1. Unknowingly, I have brought somebody who already knows the skill.
Okay. So like we had an advantage.
So I
in the
felt,
sari paper.
so I thought that there was a balancing out that I was doing, that 2 boys here on the atta, then here also I should get 2 boys to knead the dough. But here there came a boy on that task who already knew the job.
So then they were defying stereotypes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Because we thought we would
But
go by
then-
that understanding. But they didn't.
One thing, he was working very well about it, but the moment he would say that, okay, put some water, Yash had not even very enthusiastically completely done away with the cap of the bottle. So water was again trickling or dropping, it was gushing. It was gushing. So, and then he doesn't know where to stop or how much water is needed for what quantity. He has not even seen his mother making it ever. It's like he would be ready to empty the bottle on the plate. The first round of his allowing the water to flow and everybody was like, woo! And Ravi managed it very well. He managed it to the extent that still the water was almost enough and he needed only very little. Only very little. That was correct when he felt the need that he needs very little water. But there what he required is the right communication.
That's it. So even if the skills are intact, but if
Communication.
there is a lack of coordination, things can go topsy-turvy.
I actually thought in the studying that we could take the water in the bowl
Yeah.
and I could just do it manually.
Uh.
But I was not able to say that pour the water in the bowl. I was like, in the bowl I was doing like this and he was...
But he would
No, I would have otherwise asked you to allow him to pour the water directly to the flour and not to the bowl.
because that's
That would have not been allowed. Yeah. But then the second time, instead of saying, when we had said that you can use sign language, he says, and so he does. And then we all in the audience knew that, okay, this is gone. It was all sticky and he was just trying to roll it. He wanted to make, a ball shape of the dough out of it, thinking that probably a roti can be imagined out of this.
And imagine, I didn't see that. And then I asked him, what about the butter roti? And he's like, yeah, sure. And I'm like wondering how to do it. Maybe just like dip the dough into butter. Because I don't think there's anything else that can do.
But the last class, these people again in this team were
Very clear. They were absolutely clear about how many lines and how many boxes and what numbers are the triangles and what numbers are crossing the boxes and where to put the smiley.
Yeah.
They worked very fast and they were very organized way.
No, like for us, I'll tell you that once they were almost through with the activities, this team had almost in that sense given up. They were almost like, because in fact, the interesting bit was that while most of the audience and the participants on this team started moving out to like to that team to witness what's happening. So we had very little cheering. Oh
That's
my
right.
God, it actually lasted. So then there were these two people working in silos, working individually there. And by the time the pressure of time, of not being able to make it, had all hit. Otherwise they had counted things well, they knew it. But it was just somehow the pressure in the end that they'd almost given up on their own. So,
Alright. So far, so good. Let's take a very short tea break. Very short tea break. You have only 3 minutes. Go out, quickly take a tea or coffee.